Hello and welcome to Slotegrator Academy. My name is Vasily and today we will break down how to launch a successful online casino, how to properly create a business model for your project, and consider processes and resources online casinos need to account for in their business models. If you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in the gaming market, subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on our website by following the link in the description. The online casino industry is unique in many aspects. It relies heavily on the latest technology, operates across borders, and has a product offering that varies along with its clients. But in one respect, it's exactly like every other industry. New enterprises absolutely must have a detailed business model. Let's break down business models into their constituent parts. First, there is the product, exactly what it is you're offering your audience. For online casinos, this seems a little cut and dry, betting on casino games. But it's better to be more specific and understand which games you are offering. This will largely depend on the target market, which is the second component. It's your audience and its exact demographics that you see on your platform. The general customer avatar in the online gambling industry is pretty consistent. Players tend to be male and on the younger side, but there are a range of other factors like game preferences that vary geographically. You have to spend money to make money. It sounds trite, but it's true. Expenses will be one of your biggest concerns. How much you are spending on material and immaterial resources. How much does it cost to acquire a new player and then to retain them? Speaking of bringing in new players, your marketing strategy should be a prominent part of your business model. Even if your casino is tailored perfectly to your audience's preferences, they won't come knocking if they don't know you exist. You should definitely make plans about how you are going to bring them in. You will have to consider that as well as other startup costs, such as the cost of developing a platform and acquiring a license. Online casinos require sophisticated software and other solutions. You'll need to plan out your partnerships with other companies, such as software providers, payment system providers, and game content providers. Slotegrator can help you with that. Now, when we know all components of the business model, we'll consider your business model from two perspectives, your players and your investors. You will have to know what players want before you can give it to them. Ask yourself, what are you offering players that your competitors don't? With thousands of online casinos operating around the world, players are already spoiled for choice. Why should they choose you? The answer could be your product offering. For example, you might narrow your focus to players who enjoy betting on crash games. Or maybe you will hone in on Gen Z by cooperating with a game developer who creates bespoke new gaming formats with an emphasis on gamification and in-game collaboration. Or your value proposition could simply be offering the industry's best bonuses. At the end of the day, players need to see that you offer them something that no one else does. So, do it. Investors, like players, have simply desires. Their goals can be summed up in two questions. The first one is, what is the expected return on this investment? And the second one, when I will see that return. Both are equally important. If you can't tell an investor exactly how much they will be making and exactly when they will get it, they won't bother looking at the rest of your plan. In addition to revenue projections, investors will also need to see proof of your claims. Promises of high profits don't impress anyone unless you have a detailed plan of how you are going to get there. When making your business model, you have to carefully account for every cost that you will be facing. Neglecting necessary costs during the planning could mean that all of your plans go out the window once the hidden costs unveil themselves. Startup costs will include the initial purchase of the platform software, licensing fees, and other costs. Ongoing costs will include the monthly payments to game and payment service providers, taxes, and player acquisition. The earliest and most common method of visually mapping out your business model is to use a business model canvas. Considering of 9 blocks, the canvas separates every aspect of a business model for quick, clear, and easy reference. We have prepared a business model template for you to help you structure your ideas. You can find it by following the link in the description. Stay up to date on the world of gambling with Slotegrator. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Bye!